Okay, my improvement I'm working on this morning, this is our clamp that we put for wall beds, and so this goes on the outside of the panel and this goes on the frame. And we can, before we just had this without the bolts, so this is an improvement. We've added these bolts so that we can adjust it, but it was kind of hard to adjust, so let me show you my improvement. So what we did is we bought some cheap screwdrivers. I think these were $1.29 at Lowe's, and we modified them by cutting them off, and then we brought it over, and on the back side of the bolt here, we just tack welded it on. So now this sits up against the frame, and if we need to adjust the spacing, we can just reach in and turn it one way or the other and easily adjust it to where our spacing is even on both sides of our bed frames. Super easy. 2-second improvement. Okay, I've got another improvement that we're working on that I'm only going to give you a sneak peek on. So we cut a lot of, do a lot of this slat wall, and we cut out for trim rings, and we've struggled with getting good layout, getting them to fit properly and stuff like that. And so I'm going to show you just really quick right here something. There you go. That's all you get. Stay tuned. That one's coming later. Okay, today's improvement. Every now and then we'll get a customer that wants to do files in their garage cabinets, and so we use this grass metal sided drawer, nice and sturdy. We don't ever have any problems with it, but we have to add file rails. So we need to place these clips and cut these bars to put to size. So what we did is we made a jig and we put all of the information that we need to do file rail drawers on here. So one, this is our garage file guide. We've got the spacing on it if there's any questions, and we even put how long to cut the file rail length to. So we go ahead and we place this in the drawer, and we've got here, we're going to place that to the guide. We're going to install this on the center line, and then we've got one that we're going to put for legal, and we've got another for letter, and then it slides to the front and does the exact same thing to the guide, places those the proper height off of there, and then when we go to cut it, we've got the length right there. So all of the questions, all of the answers to the questions on how do we do this are right here on this jig. And we're gonna find a place for this at our grass drawer building station so we can one-piece flow these in the future and have it right there ready to go.